Hello everyone, it's Hülya from Modum Consulting. We continue informing about issues concerning foreigners living in Turkey. The subject of this video is to get a residence permit in Turkey for foreigners. Dear viewers, foreigners who come to Turkey with a visa or visa exemption, they can stay legally in Turkey up to 90 days within 180 days. But foreigners who want to stay in Turkey more than their visa, they must obtain a residence permit. It's a legal requirement. However, it may be tiring and complicated to deal with these processes in a country where you do not even know the language. Leave us the procedures such as preparing the documents required to apply for a residence permit. You focus on your business. Modum Consulting allows you to get a residence permit in Turkey, burdening with such transactions. You can call us immediately to take advantage of free consultancy services and campaign prizes. Remember, residence permit in Turkey are taken with Modum Consulting. Goodbye for now, to discuss another topic soon. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.